Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to the small yet stunning city of Samobor in Croatia. Samobor is a true gem with a population of around 40,000 as of 2024. This place is like stepping back in time, with its roots tracing all the way back to medieval days. The old town is beautifully preserved, and you can just feel the history in the air. One thing you'll notice right away is the charming orange roofs on almost every house. It gives the city such a warm, cohesive vibe. And guess what? No tall buildings here. That means the lush green surroundings totally steal the show. It's serene, it's inviting, and honestly, it's perfect for a relaxed stroll or just soaking in the views. Samobor is also dotted with several historic churches, adding to its rich cultural and spiritual atmosphere. These churches aren't just buildings, they're part of the city's soul, scattered throughout and contributing to its unique character. What's really cool is how visitor-friendly Samobor is. There's plenty of parking, so you won't have any trouble exploring all the historic sites and natural beauty this city has to offer. Now let's dive into some of Samobor's gems. First up, St. Michael's Chapel. This little Gothic chapel from the 15th century sits on a hill overlooking the city. Dedicated to St. Michael the Archangel, its simple yet charming architecture with a single nave and wooden ceiling reflects the era perfectly. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's a peaceful spot offering panoramic views of Samobor. Visitors often hike up here, drawn by the chapel's spiritual ambience and the stunning scenery. And just a bit further out, you'll find Tamatan Castle. Built in the 13th century as a strategic fortification, this castle was a key defensive structure for centuries. It was reinforced in the 16th century during the Ottoman incursions. Though it fell into ruin in the 18th century, the remains of Tamatan Castle still offer a glimpse into the medieval past. The picturesque ruins and the panoramic views they offer are a must-see, especially for history enthusiasts and hikers. The castle's location on a hilltop not only provided a strategic advantage in medieval times, but now offers visitors breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. While the castle has weathered the passage of time, its ruins tell stories of battles fought and lives lived. Walking through the remnants of its walls, you can almost imagine the bustling activity that once filled this fortress. Today, Tamatan Castle is a popular spot for those who appreciate history and the serenity of nature. And that wraps up our Samobor tour. Next time, we'll take you to Rijeka city of Croatia. Until then, take care and good luck!